As designers, we love Squarespace because it allows us to create beautiful websites every time. But creating something truly unique, taking my vision and design beyond the limit of a template, was just not possible without complex code. Until I found SquareKicker. SquareKicker is an intuitive no-code design extension which allows me to bring my Squarespace sites to the next level. Using SquareKicker's visual builder, I can explore a whole new level of unlimited design possibilities. My websites stand out with fluid animations and powerful interactions. I can simplify my workflow by creating presets, which allow me to quickly customize elements across my site. With SquareKicker, I have control to optimize my design for every device. But the best part is, I don't need to spend hours coding. SquareKicker uses compliant JavaScript and CSS, so I never need to worry about slowing down or breaking my site. Don't limit your designs. Let SquareKicker free you to focus on what matters most. SquareKicker. No code, just design.